Hello, this is Louis Santana with NPTI in the advanced course, and today I want to show you a corrective exercise for your shoulders. So usually when we're trying to do lateral raises, frontal raises, any type of shoulder movement, sometimes we start feeling in our traps more than anything, and the reason that happens is because we have little to no scapular mobility. Right here, the shoulder blade, tends to be known as the scapula. If you don't have that mobility going on, you really won't be able to use your shoulders appropriately, and all that pressure from the exercise is going to go to your traps, and that's how they get overactive and they hurt, they get sore. So I'm going to show you a little exercise to help you activate your shoulder blades. So all you need is a small weight, 5-7 pounds, nothing excessive. You're going to lay flat on a bench like this, face down, and the most important part of this exercise is just to retract that scapula and leave it in place the whole time. That's what's going to start activating it. So instead of letting your arm hang down like this, you're going to retract and keep it engaged. So I'm going to lay here. I'm going to do that motion that I just showed you. Retract, continue to keep that scapula engaged, and then just lift. Very simple move, nothing exaggerated. It's not meant to create muscle or resistance or anything like that. It's meant to get that mobility going. That way when you do start doing those shoulder raises, you'll have that scapular mobility to relieve pressure from your traps. So do about maybe 2 or 3 sets of those, see how you feel, and then repeat on the other side.